Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss about semantic analysis. In that we are going to discuss a topic called word senses. Let's begin the session. So this is our today's agenda. We'll start with what is word sense and introduction, and followed by its types and why it is important. This word sense is important in natural language processing, and then some of its applications. So word sense is a very important concept in your natural language processing. Why? Because we are going to type let's say 2 to 3 lines of prompt in your chatbot, let's say ChatGPT or any other chatbot. We are going to type the prompt. It contains what? Words. Okay, collection of words. For each and every word in that prompt, your NLP system, which means your ChatGPT or any chatbot should understand each and every word. In what aspect or in what perspective the particular word is being said there. Okay, for each and every word's meaning is very important, and the perspective of meaning is very important. So for that case only we are very much concentrating particular in the word senses. Then only the system, the natural language processing system will interpret the prompt and it will give you the right responses to the request, that which means the queries or the prompt we give. Okay, so it is the aspect of meaning of a word, and moreover it has two things. One is polysemy and homonymy. So polysemy, when I say polysemy, it means poly means many. So a particular single word will have multiple related meanings. Let's say, for example, bank. Okay, so when I say bank, it has two meanings. It may be a financial institution or or else what we can say a river bank, something like that. It has, if you have related meanings, building or else a financial institution, if you have a related meaning, then it is coming under polysemy. Or if it is homonymy, for example, bat and bat, here both words are the same, spellings are the same, but then what happens, this bat may mean a cricket bat, sports equipment. Another one may be a mammal, okay, a flying mammal, bat. So if I say if a particular word will have multiple related meaning, then we call it as polysemy. And homonymy means if the particular thing have multiple unrelated meaning, then we call it as homonymy. So these things we have to keep in mind when we are working with word senses. And next is the relations between senses. So this is very important. We have different types of senses. For a particular, if you take a particular word, it has many sense, many aspects. So we are going to study the relationship between those senses. So we have two type of relations. The one is the synonym, antonym, hyponym, hypernym, meronym, and holonym. So these are all the things we are concentrating for the relations. So this is synonym, which means what? The meaning of a particular word. Okay, we are taking a particular word and we are arriving a meaning of that word. Then we call it a synonym. It is one of the relation. And next is the antonym. Antonyms are the opposite meaning for a particular word. And then hypernym. Hypernym, which means it deals about is a relationship, which means a subclass. We have a class called vehicle. So in that vehicle, we have so many things, right? Two-wheeler, four-wheeler. We can categorize, right? So if you take car, car is a vehicle. Okay, so this car, if I say car, so it is a relationship, is a vehicle. Okay, so this is called hypernym. Next is hypernym. So hypernym, in the sense, it deals about the main class, that is a superclass. It deals about the vehicle. For example, fruit is the hypernym hypernym of mango. It is given. For example, mango, apple, grapes, these belongs to what category? Fruit, the main class. That is the hypernym of that particular thing. Fruit is the hypernym of a particular thing, which means mango, grapes, or whatever we call. And next is meronym. So meronym in the sense it's a part of relationship. So wheel is a part of a car, like that. Whole, next is holonym. Holonym means whole of relationship. So these are all the main senses, main types of senses we have to concentrate, we have to focus on in your word senses. Thank you.